This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make text appear on click in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To reveal text on click in PowerPoint, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted each of my answers here to be revealed on click. First thing you want to do, I want to start off with my third answer being revealed first. I'm going to select the text. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag over the text. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Animation tab, and click on the Animation tab. Then in the Animation area, you want to find the one that says Appear. Mine is right here, but if you don't see yours in here, there is a drop-down arrow here. You can find it. But I'm going to click on Appear. And as you can see, next to my answer here, a 1 has appeared. That is my first answer that's going to appear on click. I'm going to select the second answer. I want it to next appear on click. I have it highlighted. I'm going to go up to the top, make sure you're on the Animations tab, and in the Animations area, click on Appear. Now a 2 has appeared next to that one. This one's going to be revealed first. This one will be revealed second. I'm going to select the text of my next one. I want that to appear next. I'm going to go up to the top, make sure you're on the Animation tab, and click on Appear. Now if I play my slide, I'm going to left click on my slide. The first answer has appeared, which is actually the third answer. That's the way I have it set up. I'm going to left click again. And I'm going to left click again. I'm going to hit Escape to back out of this. Now if you want to adjust anything, if you want to adjust the order or anything like that, you want to go up to the top, make sure you're still on the Animation tab, then on the ribbon go off to the far right, and you want to click on Animation Pane. On the right side, a pane has opened up. It's the Animation Pane. From here, I can change which one I want to appear first. Say I want this third one to appear first. I can move it up. You can also right click on an animation, and it gives you a whole lot of different options here. You could remove the animation by clicking on Remove. That is how to reveal text on click in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.